determination of underwriters liability. Under that circumstance 2, when there is open and complete underwriting by 2 or more underwriters. We'll see the second example under this. That is, X Limited issued 2 lakh shares of 10 each. The whole issue was underwritten by A. 1 lakh shares, B. 60,000 shares, C. 40,000 shares. Applications were received for 1,60,000 shares, of which marked application were, so from public 1,60,000 shares were received, and out of that marked application through A 80,000 shares, B 28,500 shares, 41,000 shares from C. Determine the liability of the underwriters. So through underwriters this much applications were come, we have to deduct this marked application from the total applications received from the public. Will get unmarked application. So you already know the specimen, so I will explain once again. First you have to write gross liability of each of the underwriter. That means how much shares that are guaranteed by each of underwriter. Then from that you have to deduct unmarked application, that is credit given to unmarked application, credit given to each of the underwriter in respect of unmarked application. You'll get balance. From that you have to deduct marked application of each underwriter. Finally you have to deduct surplus accruing to any underwriter. So we'll see this with an example. Here is a statement. First you have to write a gross liability, that is a shares guaranteed by each of the underwriter. So A guarantees for 1 lakh shares, B for 60,000, C for 40,000. Write it down. Yes, 1 lakh, 60,000 and 40,000. From that we have to deduct credit given to each of the underwriter in respect of unmarked application. Credit for unmarked application. So we have to calculate unmarked application, and we have the information of total application received and marked application. So with this we can calculate unmarked application. This is a way to calculate unmarked application. Total application from public less marked application. Total application received from public, it is 1,60,000 shares, less marked application. From through A 80,000 shares were received, that is through A. From B 28,500 through B marked applications were 28,000, and from C marked application were 41,500. So total unmarked application 1,60,000. It's a total application minus total unmarked application is 1,50,000. So you'll get unmarked application, that is 10,000. So you have to give the benefit of unmarked application to all the underwriters, because underwriting is for whole of the issue. That's why we are giving a credit of unmarked application to all the underwriters. So we have to share this in a ratio. So we have to calculate a ratio. Ratio we are going to calculate on the base of liability of each of the underwriter. So 1,60,000 and 40,000 is a liability. So on that base we can calculate what ratio. We'll see how it is. So ratio is 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 3. So ratio is 5:3:2. So 10,000 we have to share in 5:3:2. 10,000 into 5 by 10, it is 5,000. 10,000 into 3 by 10, 3,000, and 10,000 into 2 by 10, that is 2,000. So deduct this, you'll get answer, that is 95,000, 57,000 and 38,000. You'll get balance, and deduct marked application. Marked application given in problem, that is A 80,000, B 28,000 and C 41,500. We'll write this. This is answer, so we will get balance. So this is a balance. 15,000 shares, 28,500 shares, and minus 3,500 shares. What is this minus 3,500? How we'll get? Because here liability of us C is to take up 40,000 shares, but through C 41,000 shares were come. So that means extra 3,500 shares were come. That means 3,500 in the sense 2,000 were unmarked application. Total he'll get a benefit of 3,500 shares. That means this is a surplus. So this surplus we have to share among remaining partners, remaining underwriters, and we have to make liability of C nil. Surplus accrued to C distributed between A and B in 5:3 ratio. See, original ratio was 5:3:2, and now we have to share among A and B. So ratio of A and B is 5:3. So total 3,500 surplus we have to share. 3,500 into 5 by 8. For A it is 2,188. For B 1,312, and total surplus is 3,500. So this surplus we have shared among these two. So we'll get net liability 12,812, 27,188, and for C liability is nil because he got surplus.